welcome to my very first YouTube video. Welcome to Josie Pops. Thank you so much for watching. I say first video, it's actually not. I've filmed quite a lot of videos, but I don't know, there's something that's... But anyway, I better get this done, isn't it? So to help my nerves, looking at a lens just now, I'm filming using my phone. I got my lunch. It's just a wee small pimp my noodle lunch to sort of, don't know, maybe like ease my nerves or something while talking. Right, so introduce myself. My name is Josie, and what to expect in my channel. So what to expect in my channel. I'll be sharing one of my passion with you guys, which is cooking. Last year I was so lucky to actually get chosen to be part of one of those BBC One's Britain's Best Home Cook program, so I'm quite happy to be one of those contestants, and that made me into like pursuing to be like a better cook or something. So I'd like you guys to like follow this journey with me, please. And also number two, I'd love to share my little life with you guys. I'd love to show you guys how beautiful. I'd love to show you guys how beautiful Scotland is, just like my day-to-day life here as a Filipino living in Glasgow. I'd love to do some video challenges, so whatever challenge you'd like me to do for you, leave your comments below, either eating 10 chicken feet or doing mukbang challenges. So yeah, let me know what you'd like me to eat. So for my noodles as well today, I've made it just a normal Korean ramen noodles. I've added like courgette, or how you call it, zucchini in some other places in the world. And I'm also looking forward to do some videos with my fellow contestant from Britain's Best Home Cook show, Katie.
Hi guys!
So she's got her own channel. We've filmed on her channel some cooking videos, like Filipino recipes, and she showed me how to make a cake, and I'd like to do that again as well in my channel. What else? I'll be sharing some of my travels with you as well whenever I can. So I'd love to show you guys how beautiful Philippines as well when I go home, or Australia when I go see my family, or just wherever the world takes me. If you can get a cheap flight to Europe or something. So I'd like to share my wee thoughts now and again. And like if you guys need some advice or cooking advice, bar financial advices, because I'm terrible at it, I'm no good. I'd be happy to help. Or for example, if you're a Filipino going abroad for the very first time and you just don't know what to expect, I might be able to share my experiences with you as well. So give me a shout. And if you'd like me to do some videos that you'd like to see from me, do let me know as well. I'd be happy to give it a bash. And I might need to eat first. Get my... Looking at camera, I need to get used to this, talking and all that, and eating and cooking, pretty cushy to me, to be honest. So yes, looking forward to it. And hope you guys like this video. Give it a wee thumbs up if you like it. Please leave a comment below if you want to see other videos that you'd like me to make for you in the future. And also, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I shall see you guys in my next videos. Cheerio for now. Bye! Let's eat! Oh, my God. So good. So good, especially in winter. That's really a good spicy hot thing. So